Okay, today we're looking at a 2013 Nissan Rogue S. It's all-wheel drive, pearl white in color. All right, it's got 68,000 miles on it. Go ahead and walk around the vehicle here. We'll start on the driver's side. All right, notice it's got chrome door handles, got the nice chrome hubcaps on the wheels as well. It is an all-wheel drive. All right, exterior of the Rogue's in really good shape. Everything looks really good. All right, it's a 13, 68,000 miles on it. It's a Nissan Rogue S all-wheel drive. All right, let's go and take a look on the inside. The black on black door panels, power windows, power locks. All right, got your power mirrors right here, along with the all-wheel drive button and traction control. All right, it's got black cloth seating. Driver's seat's in good shape. Passenger seat looks really good as well. All right, it does have the keyless entry key fob. All right, it does have the sport mode button here. It isn't automatic. Got your climate control area there. AM/FM CD player here. Okay. It does have cruise control as well. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. All right, it's got 68,064 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, go ahead and show you the radio again. Got your climate control area there. AC is already blowing cold, no problems there. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels, back seat door panels look good. Back seat carpet's in good shape. Back seat cloth looks good. No problems at all here. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, let's take a look in the back. All right, carpet back here is clean. Step to the side so you can see how much space you got, but plenty of room back here. It's got some storage as well under here. And then get your spare tire there. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. All right, let's see, we got, where's it at? 16-inch steel wheels. Okay, good, but got the really nice chrome hubcaps on them. Brand new set of Cooper tires. See that tread there? All right, once again, it's a 2013 Nissan Rogue S, all-wheel drive, 68,000 miles. This thing's really clean inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.